Jai Hind. I am NCC cadet from 1 Gujarat CTC camp. Myself, Cadet Deepesh Chaturvedi. I am from Vishwakarma Government Engineering College. Today, I'll give you some basic information about the NCC. The National Cadet Corps is the youth wing of armed forces with its headquarters at New Delhi. It was formed on July 16, 1948. It is open to school and college students on voluntary basis. National Cadet Corps is a tri-services organization comprising the Army, Navy and the Air Wing, engaged in grooming the youth of the country into disciplined and patriotic citizens. The National Cadet Corps in India is a voluntary organization which recruits cadets from the high school, higher secondary, colleges and universities all over the India. The cadets are given a basic military training in small arms and drills. The motto. The motto of organization is unity and discipline, which means ekta or anusashan. The motto was first adopted in 1957. NCC always strives to serve as a powerful cohesive force that brings youngsters together from across the country and molds them into exemplary citizens. There are three colors in the NCC flag, which represents the three services in the corps. Red for the army, deep blue for the navy, and the light blue for the air force. Cadets in different divisions wear different uniforms. Khaki for army, white for navy, and the light blue for the air force. NCC works on four cardinal principles. First, obey with smile. Second, be punctual. Third, work hard and without fuss. Fourth, making no excuses and tell no lies. There are 17 directorates and it is divided into 814 units. And further, it is divided into three services groups. First, Army, Naval, and Air Force. Out of these, 684 for Army, 69 for Naval, and 61 for Air units. There is a separate regiment for the women called Whole Time Lady Officer. And now I'll give you some basic facts which you must know about it. NCC cadets were the second line of defense during the Indo-Pak War of 1965 and 1971. NCC runs the youth exchange program with 12 other countries in Southeast Asia. NCC today has more than 13 lakh cadets within the country. And you know when it was started? It was just started with 20,000 cadets. And also our Prime Minister Narendra Modi was once an NCC cadet. If you join NCC or if you follow NCC, you must know these things. And also the official song of the NCC, हम सब भारतीय हैं, which means we are all Indians. This is the official song. And you know, when it was started, when it was adopted in 1982, and it was written by Sudarshan Fakir. Gopal Gurunath Bevur, he was the first Director General of the NCC. Yeah, he was the first Director General of the NCC. And Lieutenant General Tarun Kumar H, he is the current Director General of the NCC. So overall, NCC is the corps that shapes the personality of a student and in a form of the armed forces by inculcating discipline in their casual life that stays for their entire life. It also increases the chance of the further recruitment opportunities. Another merit of NCC is the NCC direct entry to that is served to the NCC cadets having C certificates for after which they directly calls for the SSB interviews. NCC is not the service. It is the base of a disciplined life. So cadet, opt it and take a step forward towards the armed forces. Thank you and Jai Hind.